Improvements have been made to collision checking when creating an electrode in PowerSHAPE 2015 R2. Collision checking occurs when copying an existing electrode or when entering the electrode wizard with a pre-modelled solid. I'm going to demonstrate the new collision checking functionality by copying this multi-impression electrode. First of all, I want to create a copy of my existing electrode. So I'm going to select it and go into my electrode wizard. Because I have an electrode selected, it opens up the copy electrode wizard, where I can select a source workplane and a destination workplane. Now I'm going to hit finish. I get a query which asks me if I want to register the new burn information. So this is going to create our multi-impression electrode. Now I have no warnings and no collisions as I've copied my electrode correctly. So what I'm going to do is undo that and change one of my workplanes. All I'm going to do is select this workplane and move it slightly so it's at a different angle. Then I'm going to select my electrode and do exactly the same thing, selecting my source and destination workplane. Here I now have a warning. The following electrode copies collide with the active solid and are going to scar the part. I'm going to say OK. Here we get told the electrode collisions in this dialog. If I select the collision, you can see where the electrode collides with the active solid, the area is shown in red. I can say OK to this and I can re-enter that mode. If I right click on my electrode, I can collision check all or collision check selected. So if I select my original electrode and right click and say collision check selected, we have no errors detected.